not bad actually. Ha! Well, what do you know? Oh. Not going to mark itself up. It's not got the ground clearance, but okay. What's squeezing my hand? There we go. Okay, so it's not ready for the soft pack stuff yet with the big holes because it's just got tiny tires, but hey. Let's see if we can get a good run going here. I have to widen this area out so I can see where I'm going or not see where I'm going and still have room to maneuver. Launched it. You know what? This thing is doing surprisingly well. Just when I spoke. That turn's too narrow. Running out of daylight though. Alright, the question we all want to know is, will it jump? Yeah! Oh, that was funny. I wasn't expecting it to make it out of there. Dug it in. Whoa! Slippery. Oh no! Now I gotta go get it. It's deep. Got the big boots on. Oh man! Oh, it's snow down the shoe. Snow into the socks. Ugh. Well, this thing has done better than I was expecting it to do, to be honest. Awesome. Well, that is an unexpected surprise. That little silver fox F3S is actually kind of fun and a little crazy. Doing better than I thought it was going to actually do in the snow. Let's get a few more jumps in. Yeah! Oh, that was funny. I wasn't expecting it to make it out of there.